Hello fellow travelers, summer is here, and it's the perfect time for adventure. The days are long, the sun is shining, and the world feels alive with possibility. Travel is about connection, with places, people, and ourselves. Summer invites us to slow down, linger at a cafe, stroll through parks, and savor every moment. Think of warm sand between your toes, laughter at outdoor festivals, and cool treats on busy streets. It's not just about seeing sights, it's about feeling the energy of a place. Communities come alive with concerts, markets, and celebrations. Yes, summer means heat, but that's part of the adventure. Embrace the warmth, learn from locals, and adopt a slower pace. This guide is packed with tips to help you travel smart and enjoy every sun-drenched moment. We'll cover where to go, what to pack, and how to make the most of your trip. Forget the worries about temperature, focus on the fun and discovery ahead. The world is waiting, and summer is the perfect time to answer its call. Ready to plan your next unforgettable journey? Let's dive in. When summer arrives, I dream of places where sun and culture blend perfectly. The Amalfi Coast in Italy is a favorite. Cliffside towns, sparkling seas, and lemon granitas. Greece's islands like Santorini offer white and blue beauty, ancient ruins, and warm hospitality. Swim in the Aegean, dine by the water, and soak in unforgettable sunsets. Lisbon, Portugal, bursts with color and life. Ride the yellow tram, explore tiled streets, and relax on nearby beaches. Costa Rica is a nature lover's paradise. Lush rainforests, volcanoes, and wildlife, with sunny mornings and refreshing afternoon rains. Each destination has its own summer magic, whether you crave city energy or tropical escapes. Embrace the local rhythm, try new flavors, and let the warmth guide your adventures. Wherever you go, summer is about making memories in the sun. Choose your spot, pack your bags, and get ready for a season of discovery. The world's best summer destinations are waiting for you. Staying cool is the secret to loving summer travel. Hydration is key. Always carry a reusable water bottle and sip often. Dress smart. Light colors, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen, and loose fits keep you comfortable. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are must-haves for sun protection. Time your activities. Explore outdoors in the early morning or late afternoon, and save indoor sights for midday. Take breaks in shaded parks, cool museums, or local cafes. Splash cool water on your face and wrists to refresh quickly. A small spray bottle or foldable fan can be a lifesaver. Embrace the local pace, move slower, rest often, and enjoy the journey. These simple tricks help you beat the heat and make the most of every day. Don't let the sun slow you down. Travel smart and stay comfortable. With the right strategy, summer adventures are a breeze. Keep cool, stay safe, and let the fun continue. Your best summer memories start with feeling great. Packing for summer should be simple and stress-free. Choose a color palette, 2 neutrals and a bright accent, so everything mixes and matches. Pack light, breathable fabrics. Linen, cotton, and rayon are your friends. Avoid heavy or synthetic materials that trap heat. Roll clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Bring a lightweight scarf. It's versatile for sun, cool evenings, or covering up. Sunglasses and a foldable wide-brimmed hat are essentials. For shoes, stick to 3 pairs. Comfy sandals or walking shoes. Flip-flops for the beach, and a dressier pair for evenings. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space. Keep accessories minimal and practical. Packing light means less to carry, and more freedom to explore. Focus on comfort and versatility, and you'll be ready for anything summer throws your way. Smart packing sets the stage for a carefree adventure. Travel light, travel right, and enjoy every moment. Summer is made for outdoor fun. Just plan wisely. Hit the beach early or late for swimming, water sports, or relaxing with a book. Parks and gardens offer shady escapes. Picnic under a tree or paddle a boat on a lake. Explore botanical gardens or greenhouses for a cool, beautiful break. Don't miss local festivals, concerts, and street fairs. Summer energy is contagious. Water-based activities like boat tours, river cruises, or kayaking keep you cool and entertained. Mix outdoor adventures with indoor discoveries to balance the heat. Try something new. Every destination has its own summer traditions. The best memories come from joining in and soaking up the local vibe. Stay flexible, Follow the fun, and let summer lead the way. Every warm day is a chance for a new adventure. Summer travel is a feast for the senses, especially your taste buds. Visit local markets for juicy fruits, watermelon, berries, peaches, perfect for snacking and staying hydrated. Try regional summer drinks, Tinto de Verano in Spain, Aperol Spritz in Italy, or Agua Fresca in Mexico. Light, fresh meals are best, salads, grilled seafood, and dishes with seasonal veggies. Gazpacho, a cold Spanish soup, is a refreshing favorite. Don't skip frozen treats, gelato, sorbet, or shaved ice are summer essentials. Seek out the best local ice cream shops and sample unique flavors. Eating light keeps your energy up for exploring. Food is a delicious way to connect with local culture. Savor every bite. These flavors will become part of your travel memories. Summer tastes better when you try something new. Sun safety is your top travel companion. Always wear broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Apply before heading out and reapply every 2 hours. Don't forget your face, neck and ears, and use a stick for easy touch-ups. Sunglasses with 100% UV protection and a wide-brimmed hat shield your eyes and skin. Listen to your body. Dizziness or nausea can signal heat exhaustion. If you feel unwell, find shade, drink water, and rest. Loosen tight clothing and cool your skin with water. Being cautious means you can enjoy every moment safely. Sun protection isn't just smart, it's essential for a great trip. Make sun safety a habit, not an afterthought. Protect yourself so you can focus on fun and discovery. Healthy travelers have the best adventures. Take care of yourself, and the world opens up. With the right precautions, summer travel is pure joy. Stay safe, stay happy, and let the sunshine in. The smartest summer travelers embrace the midday break. In many warm countries, locals rest during the hottest hours. Follow their lead. Plan a long lunch, a hotel siesta, or a quiet hour with a book. Cooling down midday keeps your energy high for evening adventures. After your break, explore as the city comes alive in the golden light. Enjoy late dinners, lively streets, and cooler air, just like the locals. The midday pause isn't wasted time. It's an investment in your enjoyment. Slow down, savor the moment, and connect with the local rhythm. Travel is richer when you match the pace of the place. Rest, recharge, and make the most of every summer evening. Now you're ready to make the most of summer travel. The heat isn't a barrier, it's an invitation to slow down and savor every moment. Drink water, pack light, plan smart, and indulge in summer's best flavors. Treasure the small joys, gelato, sunsets, laughter with new friends. Listen to your body, and stay safe so you can enjoy every adventure. Travel is a gift. Cherish it by being a smart, happy traveler. Dream big, plan boldly, and let summer's spirit guide you. The world is waiting, full of sunlit stories and memories to make. Embrace the warmth, the long days, and the adventure ahead. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Go explore, connect, and create memories that last a lifetime. Happy travels!